Hey, buddy.
You will hold still long enough to get a picture.
Yeah, you're so cute. Look at you. This guy's only a couple months old. Not too much. He doesn't want the ball at all. He just wants to.
He was until she walked. He associates her with probably going for a walk.
Hey, baby. Hey. Come back. There we go. Come on. Stay over here.
Baby boy. Baby boy. Yes, Sassy would have liked you. Yes, she would have. She would have loved you.
I don't know.
Yes, she would have.
She was kind of irritated when Caper was a puppy.
Yeah, but
I don't know why.
Caper was a girl. This is a boy. Boy lover. Oh, really? Oh, really? Oh, tell me about it. Really? Tell me about it. Oh, you like your belly rub.
Yeah. Oh, you're so cute.
Oh, you like your belly rub.
Oh, ow. You're going to have to get you past the nibbling stage.
Well, the nice thing about shepherds, though, is that they're pretty smart and easy to train.
Depends on... Yeah, he's a licker.
You give me a bath?
You sweet boy. Hey, how you doing?
You give me a bath?
Such a cutie.
Yeah? Oh, really?
I'll show Carrie the video later so she knows what he looks like.
Good pictures of him?
I'm just getting a video clip so that she can see him running around and stuff.
I'll take a bigger bed. You wouldn't fit in Kathy.
I'd be careful if you let him kiss you.
About a month.
Hey, baby.
This tail rope.
Yeah, he'll be big because he's a shepherd. He's like eating your hair. Careful, careful.
Gotta get you some training, boy. Yes, you do. Doggies are smart. Shepherds are smart dogs.
Yeah, I think he's just enjoying the attention.
Yeah, I think so.
Come here, buddy. Come here. He's like, no, I'm kind of...
No?
Don't start naming him yet.
I think the Dalmatian's a girl.
Okay, I think we're done now.